Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, I'm going to guide you through that transition from your gas grill to your pellet grill. I'll tell you what, you're about to take a flavor adventure, but there's a few things that I want to guide you through to help you make that transition much, much smoother. Okay, some of the things you've come to love in your gas grill is you've got that direct heat, which means that flame is right under your food, giving you temperatures of up to 700 degrees or more, depending on the grill. We have a lot of different options for cooking and a lot of different accessories, from rotisseries to griddles to inserts and more. With a gas grill, you know you can cook with that lid open, and propane runs about 20 to 22 hours per tank, depending on how much cooking you're doing and at one temperature. The best thing is that heat up time, 10 to 15 minutes, and usually there's no controller or app. You just turn it on and it is good to go. Now, you're making the transition from gas to pellet. Let's talk about what you get with that pellet grill and some of the great things that are going to give you more features and benefits to amplify some of your flavor and maybe make you a little more efficient too. Some things you may want to consider when you make that transition from gas to pellet is, guess what? Now you're getting a wood-fired grill. That's right, those pellets are using everything they have to produce fuel, fire, and flavor. You're also kind of getting that set it and forget it style grill. You go out and set that controller to that temperature, let's say 350 degrees. The fan, the auger, and the pellets are all going to work together to keep you at 350 degrees. From a cost standpoint, up front, these might be a little bit more expensive, but you're getting some technology in there that is going to make you extra efficient as well. When it comes to size, there are different options available in pellet grills size-wise, and I think I always tell people it's up to you to kind of figure what size is going to best suit your family, your budget, and your back patio, how much room you have to grill. Pellet grills tend to be a little bit bigger overall because you have that pellet hopper, you have the addition of side shelves as well, so keep that in mind when it comes to space. I always like to guide people through use and expectations. And what are you going to use the grill for? Are you going to do a lot of grilling? Are you going to do some smoking, intermediate? And what are your expectations? That's right, what do you expect out of this grill? I always tell people you can sear on a pellet grill. Absolutely get some amazing sear marks. You can even put cast iron on there and get beautiful cast iron seared steaks as well. But if you're used to those 800-900 degree grilling experiences, this might be a little bit different. You can still get fantastic steaks on pellet grills, but they're going to be a little bit different. Now, technology, I told you they might cost a little bit more because you have some technology. That controller now allows you to have a Wi-Fi enabled grill that you can control from the comfort of your phone. That's right, now I get to plug into my grill, I can adjust and monitor, and the best part about that Wi-Fi, I can be at, my local Ace Hardware and checking on whatever project I have going on the grill, and now I can adjust it, I can speed it up, slow it down, I can adjust temperatures. That is helpful as well. You have indirect heat in here, meaning that heat source is not right under your grill grates. It's going to be coming out of the fire pot, hitting that heat baffle, and sending that heat evenly, and with the fan distributing that evenly across the entire grill. You're going to get those wood-fired flavors. That's right. We have three kind of distinct cooking temperature zones in here, and the lower you are in those ranges, more smoke. The higher you are, a little bit of that wood-fired fun. Depending on which manufacturer you choose to go with, temperatures on pellet grills can go anywhere from high-end 500 to 700 degrees, and they offer options for all types of cooking. That's right, I can go low and slow, doing my favorite smoking project. I can go intermediate, allowing me to bake, braise, roast, and stew, and I can go hot and fast, giving me that opportunity to do some grilling projects as well. Most of the pellet grill models, you cannot cook with the lid open. Yes, there are some options from brands where you can, and I've got a secret for you coming up at the end here. A lot of accessories for pellet grills, from griddle inserts to rotisseries to griddles that you can add in, roasting baskets, and more. So definitely a lot of accessories. Wooden pellets are going to last you anywhere from 6 to 18 hours per bag, depending on how long you're in each of those three distinct cooking zones. Heat up time is going to be about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure you hit and maintain that proper cooking temperature. Now, care and maintenance, very easy, right? It's the same as any grill. You'll have to clean up some grease out of the grease pans. You'll have to remove some ash, which is similar to scraping your grill and getting all those beautiful barbecue crumbs out, but I like like to tell people that this investment right here, take care of it. It is going to last a long, long time. And the best part about wood pellet grills is you are going to get exceptional flavor as well. Well, there you have it. Some helpful tips and advice to guide you through the transition from gas to pellet grilling. In the meantime, be sure to stop by your local Ace Hardware, chat with one of our barbecue experts. They have a ton of information for you and can guide you through looking at the pellet grills they have at their store. Also, stay tuned. I've got a great video coming for you that's going to guide you through how to pick a pellet grill. That's right. I've got Traeger, Weber, and Rectech, and we'll guide you through all their features and benefits so you can decide which one is best for you. There you have it. Quick, easy, and delicious. Happy cooking.